Hey, and this is Zane from Motive Solutions, and let me ask you a question. Do you know how to make a best-in-class headless CMS better? Well, it's quite simple. You implement it with ImpulseSync. ImpulseSync is a modern low-to-no-code content orchestration and integration hub that can provide your Contentful implementation with the ability to migrate, integrate, and sync content to and from any application or spaces in days and not months. This is the type of reliable and continuous integration talked about, but never really seen when it comes to delivering complex content structures and formats. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how ImpulseSync can deliver content accurately, even with the information architecture and/or the format do not align. This can apply to different applications or even apply to your very own different Contentful spaces. So let's get right into it. As you can see here on our right side, we have a Contentful space with no destination. And on our left side, we're going to be moving over this content from our legacy CMS. So let's get into how we do it. We're going to run this job, and while this job is running, let's go over some of the features of ImpulseSync. Starting off with our dashboard, we have the ability to report and keep track of everything that is going on during your sync underneath this active transactions. We can see the status of the content delivered, the total content errored, the queued messages, and even the running messages right now. And we can also see, even for the finished transaction, all of the amount of reporting and detailing that we need to make sure the content moved over exactly as we need. In addition to that, on our dashboard, we have our jobs wheel and our endpoints wheel. We'll get what into our endpoints are in just a minute. Let's look at our jobs page. This is where we set up and use our endpoints that connect with our custom-built connectors to the CMS and help migrate and move the content over. And we use these endpoints in our jobs to define them as sources and destinations. Now, in addition to this, we have loads of different mapping tools in order to make sure that you can map your content exactly as you need. Not only do we have loads of content mappers, but we also have the ability to manipulate and transform your content during a sync. This is through the use of our content manipulator. Now, with that all being said, we're going to see our content move over from the source to the destination once this job is finished. Our job has just finished, and as we can see, we have no content yet in our right space, but if we just refresh this page, we'll see all of our content exactly synced over as we had in the source. If you are interested in learning more about ImpulseSync or want to discuss your requirements further, please contact us today.